Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this purple and pink shimmer eye look. I didn't really know where I was going with this look. As always, I just sit in front of the camera and start recording and doing stuff, and this is how it turned out. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then please just keep on watching. I'm doing my makeup because I am going to go next door and meet my neighbors, and I really feel like doing my makeup. I'm going to meet my neighbors because they have a 7-year-old daughter or whatever, and I'm looking for somebody to pick up my daughter from school on Wednesdays because she get out of school early on Wednesdays, and then all through the other week I can pick her up. But what kind of eye look I'm going for, I don't know none of that, but we're gonna start out doing our eyes. And I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color, ooh, what color is this one? Cafe. I haven't used this in so long, and I forgot how much I liked it because I haven't used it in so long. So we're gonna use that today. I really need to clean my brushes. I have accumulated so much freaking makeup brushes that it's like crazy. Like, oh my god, Diamond, what are you doing? I'm gonna be taking my Jaclyn Hill. Ooh, it's too bright. It's too bright in here. I'm gonna be taking my Jaclyn Hill palette as always. And let me see what color I'm gonna take to set it. To set my face. I mean, to set my eyes. I don't set my eyelids anymore with setting powder because it takes away a lot of the pigment. So I'm gonna take this color right here to set my lid. Right here. We're gonna take this cranberry looking color. I think I'm gonna do a cranberry look. We're gonna take this cranberry looking color right here. It's not even cranberry, it's like a brownish, reddish looking color. So we are in our new house. I'm in a whole new filming setup and everything, and I actually love my new filming setup. If you guys would like to see what my new filming area look like, then head over to my previous video of my new filming room, because I did do a video on that. That will be up right before this one. So go check that out, you guys. Actually, I'm not going to do a cranberry look. I'm going to do like a purple kind of look because I haven't did a purple look in a long time here. So I'm going to keep using that same color. And then next, I'm going to take this actual purple color right here. It's like a super dark. See, it's like scary using like super dark colors because I don't want to turn out looking like I got beat up, you know? So I'm going to take this brush right here and dip it in that burnt orangey color to kind of make it look more blended. I told myself I'm not going to spend too long on my eyes today, so I am not going to do that. So then I'm going to actually take an even more stiffer brush. I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush, and then I'm going to dip into that dark purple even more to go deeper right here. Deeper, baby, deeper. We're going to go deeper right here and deeper right here, because I think I want to do it like a halo look. And then now I'm going to take another e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to spray that with my NYX finishing, if it focus. Gonna take a little bit of that, and then I'm going to take this color right here. Right. Oh, I know a color that I can top this with. Ooh, I got an idea. Ooh. See, I know I ain't the only one who noticed these colors be applying way better with my hand. Like, girl. So I have this other color in my B Bella 35G palette that I want to use. It is right here. It's even more like a lighter color, lighter version of what I'm already using. Right here. I like. If you ain't got this B Bella palette, try it out too, because it is bomb also. So since I am using my flat brush, I'm gonna use this color as my brow highlight right here. I know y'all like, girl, your nails is ugly. Girl, I know. Girl, I know. We all know, because your girl don't get her nails done, because your girl hates acrylic. She hates it. She hate acrylic, but she's a certified nail tech. She hate acrylic on her own nails. I'm over here saying she like I ain't talking about my damn self. Funny, right? So funny. So, what's we gonna do next? I'm gonna clean up as I go because I told myself I'm gonna work on keeping my area clean better. My makeup area. So, next, I'm gonna take my black NYX matte liquid liner. So we done with the eyes for now, and now we're gonna work on our face. But I need to wipe. I swear, glitter is the devil. Like, once glitter get on your face, it's no returning. Like, it's on your face forever. So I'm taking this. This was like my first product that I bought when I started deciding to wear makeup. And I went to Sephora and I just splurged. So it's the Makeup Forever Step 1 Hydrating Primer. And I had a little bit more left and I really didn't want to throw it away because I paid too much for it. But this is what it looks like. So I'm going to use that. It's not extravagant, but it was good for my skin. Because my skin is not oily and it's not dry either. It get oily in some spots, but it's not like ridiculous oils or nothing like that. So that was cool. And I'm gonna let that sit on my face for a little bit. It do get like a little tacky feeling. Okay. Y'all peep, your girl got her natural hair. Like, I missed my natural hair. I missed it. I missed it a lot. I'm gonna use this to put my foundation on my face. It's from like another one of my foundation things, but that foundation bottle broke, so that's what I'm gonna be using. And I'm gonna be using the same foundation I always use, Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the color Mocha. The thing about this lens, it takes forever to focus, but when it do focus, honey, the quality be booming, metro booming. And then we're gonna spread it all over our faces with our Real Technique sponge. No, I kind of want to use a brush actually. I'll use a brush. I'm gonna use my best toothbrush from Amazon. So then we're gonna take that same Maybelline Fit Me concealer and put it under our eyes. I really like the Wet n Wild concealer, but I ran out. So this is all we have. I'm taking my Maybelline New York Shine Free Loose Powder in the color Medium. I always blow off the excess only because I want it to be an even thin layer when I do set that concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and take my black profusion liner and press down and put that in my waterline. So next, I'm taking this Profusion. It's all broken up, so I can't even show you. But this Profusion Studio Contour palette. And y'all won't believe this contour brush that I use. I got it from the 99-cent store. I was gonna say the dollar store, but we have more 99-cent stores more popular in California than the Dollar Tree. I like this. My favorite gold shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette right here. And I use this as a highlight.
Which one you doing?
Recording.
You kiss.
I just gave you a kiss. And I didn't mean to be mean saying I already gave you a kiss, but I kissed him like 10 times before I even started recording. But I didn't tell him I was going to record. I only told Ty because that's usually the only one who bursts up in my room when I'm actually recording. So I'm gonna take that same shade that I used from the Be Bella palette and put it in my inner eye corner because I love it. I love how it looks. I love it, love it, love it. I'll take this Ruby Kisses lip liner. And it's in the color brown. I think it's dark brown actually. Yeah, it's dark brown. In this dark brown color. Yeah, I'm taking this Alicia Ashley Elf by Alicia Ashley in the color Nude Rose lip gloss to put on my lips. I'm gonna take the Voluminous Lash Paradise. I think it's by L'Oreal. Yeah, L'Oreal. And I'm gonna take this NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray again. And I only spray like a small amount on my face because I don't want to be too matte because my foundation is already matte. So I try to take that into consideration. Let's see what this hair wanna be. I just love my natural hair. I just love it. So this is the finish. Hold on. Let me fix my hair. That is pretty much it for this video, guys. I really like how this look turned out. The only thing I don't like is how I feel so empty without my earrings. But I just moved. All my stuff is packed and I honestly don't even think I have any. I honestly think I threw away all my earrings, which I'm freaking out about. But anyways, as always, be sure to follow me on all my social medias down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And of course, subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.